2e is written over on the left, and I wrote the integral that gives me tan inverse in a little bit different form because I think that helps us with this particular problem. So it's 1 over a squared plus stuff squared. I've got, you know, actually, hold on. So, I don't know, we'll see how this goes. But, since I wrote stuff squared, right, I'm not really including the derivative of it. So the derivative of the stuff has to show up in the top here. And that'll give me this tan inverse. Stuff over a times 1 over a plus c. So notice my stuff is a sine of 2x because it says stuff squared. That's sine of 2x squared. And then the derivative of, if stuff is sine, derivative of sine is cosine, right? So derivative of stuff needs to be in the top, just like a lot of the other ones that we've done so far, like c derivative of x squared was 2x, and that showed up in the top. Anyway, so I've got a is clearly 3. I've got sine of 2x squared, stuff squared. And then 5, and I can deal with the 5, it's not a big deal, I'll just pull it out. Cosine 2x, which is the derivative of the stuff. Hopefully that helps you see a little bit of like identifying kind of funky crazy ones like this. So I'm going to do some u sub, and the u is kind of like, the u is the stuff. So I'm going to let u equal sine 2x du equals 2 cosine 2x. Clearly, I've got a 5, not a 2. So I'm going to divide this by 2, multiply by 5, so I have 5 cosine 2x. So I get 5 over 2 du equals 5 cosine 2x. So, I need to sub all these u values in. So, I'm going to put my 5 over 2 out front. Integral. 5 over 2u is the same as 5 cosine 2x. I've got 5 cosine 2x. I've taken care of my 5 over 2. So all I need to do is the du. So I get a du in the top. Now I've got 9. That doesn't show up anywhere here, so I'll just write my 9 plus. 9 plus. And then I've got my sine of 2x squared. My u was sine of 2x. So I clearly have u squared. So u squared. Now you should see that this is the integral of tan inverse, the way you would see it more traditionally written in a book as opposed to this. So as I integrate, I get 5 over 2. Don't forget your 1 over a. I need to have that. My a value is the square root of that, which is 3. So times 1 over 3 times tan inverse of u over my a value is 9. So, plus c, I'm going to sub my u in. That gives me 5 over 6 when I multiply those out. Tan inverse of, what was u? It was, because I got a u here, so u is sine of 2x. Sine of 2x. Then I need to put it over my a value, which is 3. Plus c. Boom. Cool.